All right. This is going to be the first part of my Road to Funded series. Hopefully, it's going to help a few people. Let's run through it. I've got screen recordings of each one of these executions and me taking them live, right? On my phone, I'm going to attach them somewhere on the screen, the editor will, so you should be able to see them as I talk through them, right? So number one, we're going to look at this one here, and the editor should upload it somewhere here so you can see it play out, right? This here, London cycle gets created. Thing to note here is look at how they create true time-based liquidity above that level. We wick it here, right? Potential long entries, etc. But I want them to put a body there. Once I put a body, I'm looking for rejection. We get that rejection. But what tells me that buyers have stepped in? FVG1, FVG2, right? I entered here, momentum trade long. Also, I'm trading to the high, and more importantly, I'm trading to this zone here, which is the Cipher level. In this scenario, we've got high untapped, and we've also got the Cipher selling zone up here. So this is a very high probability scenario, right? Our stop wasn't that big, by the way. So the second trade with this sell here, we hit the Cipher zone and the high. The thing I haven't spoken about before is these zone highs and lows. Once we have rejected them, retracements should stop there. This becomes your, you could call it brick wall, right? For shorts, if they reject there, they'll almost always be, well, not almost always, I've got the actual stats. It's about 80%, 70 to 80% chance that there'll be a 20-point retracement from that zone if we get a wick rejection. It's essentially like this. All I did was wait for this wick to print, sweep above that. I didn't even wait for this candle. I entered somewhere here, lower prices. I was in and out very quickly. Once again, the editor is going to post that second trade somewhere here, wherever on the screen. Third trade, this was more so something that I haven't spoken about yet. It's just I felt the market needed to retrace before a dump blow off. Most deliveries should have a retracement objective. All right, this didn't meet the retracement objective, but I knew there would be at least a small reaction there that I could trade. Nothing much to explain here, more so a intuition trade, you could call it. So 3 trades, I think it was a 6K on the day, or 6.5K on a 200K account. So that's about 3% on the day. I think profit target is 10%. So we're more than more than 25% of the way there. Let's see what today brings. I'll keep updating this as I go. Quick look into the new updates to Cipher. So this here was a zone here, right? Right here, a zone. We sell there, sold off aggressively from there. Again, this morning or Asia, we tap into, we don't need this light anymore, tap into a buying zone. This is the icing on the cake, buy signal. And we pumped higher from that. Yesterday, I wonder why we stopped here. Buy signal would be here. I don't know why it's not populating, because I think there's a certain look back. But yeah, some things I have to fix. But yeah, we'll talk soon, guys.